Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. So today we are going to start reading. Remember we are in the Somodoluo phase. We are reading the Luo language, and I have the verb luoko. Luoko means wash. So I have about 20 sentences that we are going to read, and all these sentences relate to luoko. So I want us to move on and see what happens, okay? So let's look at the first verb. The first one would be aluoko wiya. Aluoko wiya. So wiya means head, my head, my head. Wiya. Aluoko. I am washing my head. Aluoko lueta. I'm washing my hands. Aluoko lueta. So I am washing becomes aluoko every time. I am washing. Aluoko. Aluoko. Aluoko wanga. Aluoko wanga. That is nga. Aluoko wanga. Nga is one of the syllables that are very difficult to pronounce. We've looked at the syllables that we have in this channel. If you have not, please go back after this stream, you can go back and look at the syllables and see how you pronounce them. So, aluoko wanga, I am washing my my face, sorry. Aluokora. Aluokora. I'm taking a bath. Aluokora. Nyako cha luoko saende. Nyako cha luoko saende. Actually, it should be that girl is washing the dishes. That girl. So nyako cha is like that girl. It's like you're pointing at somebody and saying that girl. So that girl is washing the dishes. Woi cha. Sorry. Woi cha luoko guok. Woi cha luoko guok. So that boy is washing the dog. Woi cha luoko guok. Miyo ni luoko leuni. Miyo ni luoko leuni. So the lady is washing the clothes, but it actually means, if you translate it, it means this lady is washing the clothes. This lady is washing the clothes. Wuoro no luoko nyamburko. Wuoro no luoko nyamburko. The man is washing a car. The car is called nyamburko. That's the proper name. But I think we've always said the car has been called mtoka. Mtoka is the Swahili meaning of the car, and it has been how you call it? It has been assimilated into the Luo language. So wuoro no luoko nyamburko is acceptable as the man is washing the car. Mbura luokore. Luokore. So the cat is cleaning itself. Mbura luokore. Good. The next one. Nyaminwa luoko dier. Nyaminwa luoko dier ot. So that means my sister is washing the floor. Then adwa luoko otuchi gi sabun mar pi. Adwa luoko otuchi gi sabun mar pi. Adwa luoko otuchi gi sabun mar pi. So what does that mean? That means I want to wash the windows using liquid soap. I want to wash the windows using liquid soap. Nera luoko tie dhiang'. Nikech dhiang' onyono chuodho. Okay, that is a wrong pronoun. There should be nikech there. Nera luoko tie dhiang'. This is a very difficult sentence. Nera luoko tie dhiang' nikech dhiang' chuodho. Nera luoko tie dhiang' nikech dhiang' onyono chuodho. Can you go again? Nera luoko tie dhiang' onyono chuodho. So that is a very complex sentence, and I would urge you to try it out. Okay. Then we move on to the next one, which is luok olemo manitiere ewi mesa go kapok ichamogi. Luok olemo manitiere ewi mesa go kapok ichamogi. Luok olemo manitiere ewi mesa go kapok ichamogi. Kapok ichamogi. Luya nega, adwa luokora. Luya adwa luokora. So that means I'm sweating profusely. I want to take a bath. Luya nega, adwa luokora. Luya nega, adwa luokora. Adhi e od luok. E od luok. Sorry, this thing is on the way. I don't know how to remove it. Oh, it doesn't go. Uh-oh. All right, let me stop using the mouse so that it goes. There you go. Adhi e od luok. I'm headed to the bathroom. Adhi e od luok. So the bathroom is called od luok. Od luok. Od luok is like house for showering. That's a question. Be ise luokori. Be ise luokori. Be ne iluoko ndiga no bang' riembe. That's a question, and it's a sentence. A question. Be ne iluoko ndiga no bang' riembe. Be ne iluoko ndiga no bang' riembe. Ng'a mane oluoko lweti. Ng'a mane oluoko lweti. That is a question you'd ask a small child. If they come in to take a meal, then you'd ask them, who washed your hands? Because sometimes remember sometimes kids just lie that they've been washing hands and they've not. So, ng'a mane oluoko lweti. Who washed your hands? Ng'a mane oluoko lweti. Ng'a mane oluoko lweti. Iluokori kod pi marom nade. Iluokori kod pi marom nade. And the last one. Be isekelo pi luok. Be isekelo pi luok. Be isekelo pi luok. So those are the English questions that I had for you today. And remember this is just reading Luo language. I'm concentrating on reading the Luo language so that as someone who is learning Luo, you also are able to just look at what am I reading, how am I reading it, and things like that. So I'll take this subscribe. So please, I want you to subscribe right now. Go to the subscribe button and then click on subscribe. And thank you for all the feedback that we are getting. Unfortunately, I'm not able to see the comments right now, but I'll be able to look at them and comment on each of them. So thank you, and we shall be looking at other forms of reading in the next video. I hope that you enjoy this video. All right. Oriti. Bye bye.